Why do dogs have cold noses? After an especially good belly rub, a dog might bump its nose into its human as a way of saying thanks. Often, dog's snoot boop feels cold and wet. Is it normal for a dog's nose to feel like this? The answer is yes, it's normal. But dog's Alice has a warm nose, especially after snoozing. When a dog is asleep, their nose usually warms up, and it also dries. Then, the dog wakes up, gives its nose a lick, and it's back to cold. But why are dogs' noses cold, and could there be a benefit? One idea is that the dog's cold nose could help the furry beast regulate its body temperature. But as the dog's nose tip is so small, it's likely unable to meaningfully contribute to a dog's overall thermal regulation. To investigate further, an international team of scientists measured the temperature of many animals' noses, including a horse, dog and moose. The team learned that the nose tips, or rhinariums, of dogs and carnivorous animals are usually cooler than those of herbivores. Perhaps, a cooler nose tip could be an advantage in the wild, the researchers thought. The team conducted 2 experiments, one looking at behavior and another at the brain, to see whether a cold rhinarium could make for better heat detection. In an experiment, teams successfully trained 3 pet dogs to choose a warmer object, about the same temperature as potential prey, over an object at room temperature. The results indicated that dogs can detect weak thermal radiation from a distance akin to hunting prey. In the second, brain-centric investigation, scientists presented a box containing warm water and an insulating door to 13 pet dogs trained to lie still in a functional MRI scanner. The dogs' brains had a higher response when the insulating door was open, revealing the warmer surface, as compared with the neutral one. The region that lit up on the MRI was located in the left hemisphere only. This side of the brain interests scientists because it tends to process responses to food, which in turn has been linked to predatory activity in many vertebrates. The specific region that lit up in the dogs is known as the somatosensory association cortex. It helps bring together different sensations such as vision, body position and warmth. This part of the brain combines these senses simultaneously in order to plan an action toward a goal, like targeting an object. So, why is a dog's nose cold? Now, they're wondering at what distance this type of heat detection could be useful. For now, only the dog's nose knows.